Welcome back to Explore Error. Today, I will show you how to remove junk files from your Windows 11 PC. This can help improve your computer speed and free up space by removing unnecessary files. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From the left side, select System, then scroll down and click on Storage. Once you are on this page, scroll down to Storage Sense and make sure it is turned on. Then, click on Cleanup Recommendations. Here, you will see all the unnecessary junk files that can be removed from your computer. Click on See Advanced Options, then select the folders you want to delete. In most cases, it is safe to select all of them. The only folder you may want to uncheck is Downloads, depending on if you have important files saved there. All the other files are usually temporary data, so they can be deleted safely. You can decide if you also want to remove files from Downloads. After selecting everything, click on Remove Files and then press Continue. The second step is to open the Start menu again, type Disk Cleanup, and open it. Now check all the boxes in this window. On the right side, you will see how much space will be freed. Click OK, then click Delete Files.